tātou aso, tātou awhiawhi, a oi lava e mana oe e ta whao ma ta whao i nei, o lea i leo mano e ta whao ai. Yeah, I just want to say, I think that's a wrap for us. We're just going to say some final words, a closing prayer, and then everyone is welcome to stay back and enjoy themselves. Also, just letting you know, there's lots of food. Help yourself. There's so much food up the back there. Help yourself, make a plate for yourself, take it to your car and leave it there, come back and party. So as for now, we just want to say a few more words and obviously saying a closing prayer to close our night. It's been a wonderful night to have you all here today and celebrating TJ's birthday. The birthday boy, where is he? He's up there. Lou, can you call out to Jay, please? I'm just going to wait for him to come and say a few words if he has anything else to say. Welcome back. Alrighty. We're just saying that just saying thank you to everyone for coming tonight. Lastly but not the least, just want to say thank you so much to Uncle Apuru for leading us tonight. Thank you for your kind words and your loving prayers and blessing upon TJ, the special night for him and our families and friends. Just a little thank you to Uncle. Just a little thank you for you tonight. For petrol money, petrol's gone up, so I would like to invite you again to say a few words and do a closing prayer for us tonight, if you don't mind. Thank you.
Ko kuana ma tau ni pia salo le o tele o manua e titi mala de lo pa mala le 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 tua le mo pa e o tato psil pa ti pia ko nei tu la pia mai ai le te min tato wa i ku pia ai nei pa pia le la to wa na pa yu tato po salo pa mala mi si to atu ku ni sku wale mo pa nei i on ta pe le ma no lo ko mo ri atu le nga pa tai mai le ta ele ao matu ngana itu sai o tatu pa mo le pia o mona mori fa tai I ainga e tu sai o pa mo sa lo te awale aso pa na o DJ ia ainga luana pa auma o tia ma mga pa tia ile to pena ino nei pa mo o sa lo te to mo pina yas pa ina tal so tu o to so tu mo tatu volai ia pe tai o va vai ne pia ia o le titi paitama I le ialo ma whanau. Ia leo ma kuai le nia piat. Ia watala mai au ma sumai ma tātou pia ma tātou maku. I le lopa ma le ama le leo le tua. Moi koe lau whaakutai le au kuka. I talo ua tere tau mafu le nia piat. Ia ua mātou ainu ma o le peinu ko I ua mali nia. Ia o tō whamuianga o le mātou titalo. Toi whātou tumo e le tua mea o whamamaina. E ala I le nia piat. Ia so sani le nganga le tua ye na la tu tapina ina ma olo ia ma na patia ile tompai no nei pa mo wale atli ia le matu talo I pele lo fa mala am le o tatu tai la pa telo suma la si tu sai ma ku kwa mo pa tomo le tia ia le tatu ia to si u o tatu pa mo mo fo le nganga pa tai ile tamama tuai taloa ta olo swap ia sai fa pia mai le amatanga ia le au I wali po wa lo fa tai la suma tu sai mai ko fa pia ia salo po mate le siva ma lo to ru talo na ma fa ko a le wa mo si na ma e ai se fa no la le tu a tai le wa va ia tu po nei po to va ia le sa shu to ru ia le fa ina io pia wali fa pia no kama pa na ma lo le eva ma lo pia ia fa te ko ile usar ne fiap I think for those are able to follow in my mother tongue, that's why the MC say thank you and welcome for tonight in our special day for DJ, 21st years old. There's a long journey. It's not an easy task. So thank you for coming tonight. So the MC said if you want to go home, so ring me because I'm not drinking, so I come and drop you home and leave your car here. Safe from the police. Ia, whāpēt koe lau sunga le. Whairi, rea musiko ne whiaki whākai lava, ia wa mawale tātou ki pia. Ia tu wamare fua ma tātou tāpele nei ko, tai le koro kou sui fua. I lawa ma maota whaise mālo longa, ala whai fo i aso tai au. Ia tātou te tāpo ia iru tātou tua, o le bātou whāpai lea, tusai o le nei whiaki, tusai o le tātou mātanga. A mai ni whamia se tolu nā mole as whanau TJ, hip, hip, one more, hip, o la tātou te tāna. Lea li ielo mātou tua, sa mātou amtamea ia te oi le ni a pia. O le nei koe o tau lata ina pāwina, kuanga ma pā moe moena. A wale aso pia pia o le atari ilo mātou tua. Pā taisai a wai ate i mātou ma le amtaina. O le neu mātou o mai le nei tuko. Lea li ielo lo mātou te mā, ia mau pe i mātou le pia pia le ni a pia. Ai mai se ai TJ e whāpitoa i ai le mei aso. Mai se po ia wala lia mai mātou uma o ao pia. Se taimi po ia mātou te ate malolo. Tuli muri a wina i mātou i loa loka ma lo wāne nei. Mātou wala whai lo waso sao mo mua mātou rupana. Mātou te tāpo i atu oi. O le nāre mātou wala au e latu i ai e sulo mātou. Amen. Kasi le mea o ngalo. Pātai atu lau sunga MC mo le te utusi. O au te e se au iei. So se mea koe o te alu iai. O le whai ngāne, i te mai atangata e te au e. O le mele e whātau wai te utuara pinsi. Pātai lau sunga MC mare aini. O no whapea lea. O lau mea lopa lea mo le aswhanau TJ. Pātai tele ai whaaloalo. I o laa te malosi o te whai ngāwenga. O au lea sapalai a mai mo oista. A ia tangata ngāni oista. O na vini atu na e a tia. I mulia la kia. Pātai lau sunga MC.
Taina, yes, whamanatu atu, sorry, o le wo, e le misi le mele wa misi atia o le aso le wa whamangatu mai le Australia. O le kako yeke.
Okay.
Sorry about that, guys. My first time. So, I think Auntie Lulu is going to, would you like to give the honour to cut the cake? And then what we'll do is we'll distribute it to families and, yeah. Lulu, she's actually come up now, yeah. And while we're getting that prepared, just letting you know, our DJ is here till 10:30. So we've got our music on till 10:30, guys. Otherwise, we are here till 12 o'clock. So I know you guys want to stay back and drink and have a good time. That's absolutely fine. Just letting you guys know that he is here till 10:30. And again, I do have to say there is lots of food at the back. Help yourself and make a kai for yourself. Take home. Okay?
Tôi fan mất cúp về ngoài đi phòng hả? Nossa, nossa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, ai, se eu te pego. Delícia, delícia, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, ai, se eu te pego.
If I get to your mind